This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Charming large corner lot with a one-level home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, open floor plan, spacious kitchen with all appliances included and separate dining area. Huge yard, fenced-in backyard with large deck, garden area for the future, could expand the fence to make a larger yard. Lots of natural light from all the newer windows. Large 2-car garage with room on the side. All appliances stay with the home. New paint on the outside. For more information, review the details below.